Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am trying to finish up some journals because I'm ready to move on to the next one. This particular journal, I think I haven't, I was showing you guys, I think I started on it probably 8 months ago. So anyway, trying to finish up some things. A couple of you have asked about the beads that I use. I got this big tub of beads, or this big cylinder of beads, from Michaels, and I caught it on sale. I think it was like $19.99. I think I caught it on sale. So you can use your coupon to purchase that. I don't know what the price is now. I bought that last year sometime, early last year. But anyway, so into this kit, and it's called Purple Lily, as you see. This is where I got it from, right there on Etsy. Put that to the side. So I also went in with the beads again, and I just put Purple Lily, which I probably should have put something else there, but it is what it is. And so last minute I came up with this closure again, and using part of that from the kit and just a strip of the faux leather that I got at Walmart. Now what I'm going to do here, so when I did the closure piece, or the eyelet piece, I have these two strings hanging down. Whoever purchases this journal, I want you to tell me what your name is, or what you want to put here, so that we can personalize it. Maybe your name is Lily. I don't know. That would be awful nice. And maybe your favorite color is purple. But anyway, so we're going to get into it, and it just hooks like that. This piece comes off, and you see that faux leather piece there on the back, and that is the strip right there. So exclusively worked with the kit only. It says this journal belongs to here. These are pieces from the kit as well. And then this is one of the large envelopes. I didn't coffee dye or print on the back side of it, but there that is, which is rare for me. And I'm also not going to, so I printed off some extra pieces. What I'm also not going to do, I've got this lace cover here on the inside. That's what I was doing the video over, some of the funny aspects of it. Anyway, I'm also not going to cover these because my book is getting a little too chunky. Let's put that back in the front. This video should not be long. And if you guys see the video first, then you will know. But that is the back. I have some other pieces from the kit as well. And it just says handmade by Clemmy. So let's jump into it. So the first signature was already done, like I said, 8 months ago. And then I put everything to the side. But we're going to jump in here really fast. Beautiful kit. And I don't know. I may wait till March to even post this journal. We'll see. And there's the back of that. So I did glue that one down. I guess that was when I was still gluing pockets down. Now I just leave them open. This journal will be available in my Etsy shop. You guys have a wonderful morning, evening, or night, wherever you are.